Oh my goodness, my allergies have been so bad today. Um, oh my goodness. Oh crap. Lost my glasses. Oh, I can't see anything. Oh no. I can't find. It was, it tickles so bad. Okay, I got a break. I gotta find my glasses. Oh my goodness, everything's so blurry. I'm gonna look underneath the couch. I think they must have rolled underneath there because I can't find them anywhere. Oh no, it's pretty dusty underneath here. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna hold my nose. I can't. Oh goodness, I couldn't find them underneath there either. Oh, where they rolled to, I wonder. Oh goodness. Oh, my nose is so stuffed up now. Oh goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna keep looking. Around. Okay. Okay, it's not over here. Oh, that was weird. Sneeze. Like, oh goodness. Oh, my allergies are so bad today. I can't see anything. At this point, I can't tell if it's because of being blind or from all the tears in my eyes from the sneezing. My eyes are watering so much. Oh, I don't know if finding the glasses is gonna do much good. Oh no. Okay. I wonder, are those? I think it's them underneath the table. I'm gonna go look. Oh, I'm crawling under. Oh, get out! Ow, that was my head. Oh. Okay, yeah, those are them. I found them. Okay. Found the glasses again. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna just try not to sneeze now that I've got them, because I Okay, we're good. We're good. I don't want to lose it again. Just gonna put my finger under my nose. Oh. I don't know if I can hold them back. I just don't want to lose my glasses. Oh, they're gone again.